So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will deal we will deal another problem of physics. The chapter is sound. So the problem is, if the intensity of a sound is increased to 16 times, then by how many times will amplitude change? So we know that intensity is depends on amplitude square. So if we write intensity 1 upon intensity 2, so it is equal to amplitude 1 upon amplitude 2 whole square. So the question is, intensity is increased by 16 times, so I upon 16i 16l so equals to a1 by a2 square. So a1 upon a2 equals to under root 1 upon 16. So it would be equal to 1 upon 4. So amplitude a2 will be equal to 4a1. So hence amplitude will be 4 times. So that's all for today, friends. And friends, one more information: you have to compromise in sound quality because of some because of wedding is going on near my home, near my building, and because in this season weddings are frequently done, so you have to compromise for few days only. Thank you, friends, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.